Hi, I'm Dr. Shelley Coker. I'm the medical director at Red Mountain Weight Loss. I'm going to talk to you today about one of our supplements called Resveratrol. This aids in fat burning and metabolism, but one of the other things that I really like about this supplement is it is a great healthy aging product. The reason is because it lowers inflammation in our bodies. Inflammation is something that can help decrease risk of diseases such as cardiac disease, vascular disease, some cancers, and also can help with weight by lowering inflammation. The other thing it does is aids in cellular repair. And as we get older, our cells become a little bit more dysfunctional. So repairing those cells can also be imperative at leading a more healthy quality life as we age. And then the final thing is it helps support our immune systems, which is perfect, especially for cold and flu season every year. So check out Resveratrol and other supplements on our website at redmountainweightloss.com.